Good morning everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This is the place where we help you upgrade your mindset and create the life you truly deserve. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into something incredibly important. Powerful morning habits that will help you build deep self-love, unshakable confidence, and real emotional strength. These aren't just feel-good tips. They're practical tools to transform how you start your day and, ultimately, how you live your life. First, let's talk about why self-love even matters. I know, for some people, the term can sound a bit fluffy or even selfish, but let me be clear. Self-love isn't selfish, it's absolutely essential. Think of it as the foundation for everything else in your life. When you genuinely learn to value yourself, you start making better decisions. You stop settling for less than you deserve, whether it's in your career, your friendships, or your romantic relationships. You begin to attract people who see your worth because you see it first. You'll find yourself facing the day with a sense of clarity and inner peace instead of anxiety and self-doubt. So, let us get into a few simple but life-changing habits you can start implementing as soon as tomorrow morning. Habit number 1 is all about gratitude and affirmations. This one is so simple, but don't underestimate its power. The very first thing you do when you wake up, before your feet even hit the floor, is to think of or say out loud 3 things you're genuinely grateful for. It could be something as small as the comfortable bed you just slept in, the sunlight streaming through your window, or the fact that you have a fresh new day ahead of you. This simple act immediately shifts your brain out of a state of lack or stress and into a state of abundance. After your gratitude practice, speak 1 positive affirmation out loud, something that resonates with you. It could be, I am worthy of all good things, or I choose to have a peaceful and productive day, or even I am proud of the person I'm becoming. Saying these words with conviction rewires your subconscious mind, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Next up, habit number 2. Breathe and move. Your mind and body are deeply connected, and this habit honors that connection. You don't need a full-blown workout session. Just spend 2 to 3 minutes doing some gentle stretches. Reach your arms up high, touch your toes, roll your neck and shoulders. Feel your body waking up. While you're stretching, focus on your breath. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose. Hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. This intentional breathing has a profound calming effect on your nervous system. The movement wakes up your body, and the breathing calms your mind. When you combine them, you start your day feeling grounded, centered, and emotionally balanced, ready to handle whatever comes your way. Habit number 3 is to set 1 daily intention. This is crucial. Before you grab your phone, before you check your emails, before the world's demands start flooding in, take a quiet moment to choose 1 intention for your day. Your intention acts as your personal North Star. It's a guiding principle for how you want to show up. It could be something like, today, I will stay calm in stressful situations, or I will be kind and patient with myself, or I will protect my energy from negativity. A clear intention gives your entire day direction and purpose. It helps you make conscious choices rather than just reacting to whatever happens. It's about being proactive with your energy, not reactive. Now, for habit number 4. Nourish yourself. And I'm not just talking about food, although that's a big part of it. Choose a breakfast that makes you feel good, something that fuels your body and mind, rather than something you grab in a rush. But more importantly, savor the moment. Sit down, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Pay attention to the taste and texture of your food while you're eating. Tell yourself, I deserve this time. I deserve to take care of myself. This isn't about indulgence. It's about a fundamental act of self-respect. These small, consistent acts of care are what builds strong, lasting self. It's you showing yourself through your actions that you matter. Finally, habit number 5, and this might be the most powerful one of all. Guard your energy. Your energy is your most valuable resource, and you need to protect it fiercely. This means avoiding negativity first thing in the morning. Don't start your day by scrolling through social media arguments or reading stressful news headlines. Give yourself a buffer of peace. It also means giving yourself permission to take breaks throughout the day when you need them. You do not have to be on all the time. You don't have to respond to every message instantly. You don't have to carry stress that isn't yours to carry. Learning to set these boundaries is a radical act of self. So there you have 5 simple habits to build self-love, confidence, and emotional resilience. You don't have to do them all at once. Start with just one of these habits tomorrow morning. I promise you'll begin to feel the difference a little calmer, a little clearer, and a lot more confident. If this video inspired you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing mindset videos just like this one. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which one of these habits will you start with tomorrow? Remember, you deserve love, especially from yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.